The questions for chapter 12 begin with question 4. Question 4 asks, how does Jonas's answer to his mother's question about his sleep and dreams reveal a change in him? In order to answer this question, look at the very beginning of chapter 12. How does Jonas's reply to his mother that he slept soundly show that he's changed since the beginning of the book? Think about how Jonas would have responded to his mother at the very beginning of the story. Question 5. What discovery is Jonas making about language and communication? So, in order to answer this question, think about how Jonas responds to his mother when she asks if he dreamed, and how Jonas changes the subject when he knows that Fiona wants him to tell her about his training. So, in both of these instances, he doesn't really answer the question, whether it's stated or implied. So, do these instances maybe connect to rule number 8, you may lie? Think about those things when answering question 5.